we've just received this important announcement regarding an abducted child in Rock Cave, Upshur County, West Virginia. The West Virginia State Police are looking for Shayna Nicole Tenney, a white female, 16 years old, 5 feet 2 inches tall and 225 pounds, with black hair and hazel eyes. The child was last seen at a residence located in Rock Cave, West Virginia, and is believed to be in extreme pain. The child was last seen wearing black stretch pants, a gray shirt with a black or gray hoodie, and white tennis shoes. Authorities advise the child was likely abducted by a family member by the name of Margel Tenney, who is 5 feet 8 inches tall and 200 pounds, with blue eyes and wearing a black sweatshirt and blue jeans with red wing boots. They may be traveling in a 2003 tan Ford Taurus with the license plate number 2LW179. They were last seen traveling on West Virginia Route 20 southbound near the Upshur and Webster County line. If you have any information on the whereabouts of Shayna Nicole Tenney, please contact the West Virginia State Police, Buchanan Detachment,